Hello everyone, Lily here with another quick tutorial video. Today I am going to show you how to remove multiple accounts from Instagram. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. So first things first, let's open up our Instagram app over here and then go to your profile. Now, if you click on your name at the top right, you can see all your accounts that are on your device. So, if you have more than one Instagram account on your device, you can switch accounts and use them. So now I'm going to walk you through how to remove any one of those accounts. Well, the first thing you need to do is click on these three lines at the top right of the screen over here, then go to Settings. And then scroll all the way down, and then what you want to do is log out of all accounts, so tap on this. And then you should see all of your other accounts that are on your app, and then you can simply tap on these three dots. Tap on Remove. And it will be removed from your device. And then you can log into your main or original account. So that is simply how you remove Instagram accounts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And also let me know in the comments if it worked or if you have any questions about this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching and have a good day.